Taste that right in front of me. Tell me how it tastes. Keep it 100.
That's a sausage?
Baby back rib.
Baby back ribs.
How it taste? How that shit taste? Keep it 100.
That's beef.
From 1 to 10, what you giving that shit?
1 to 10? Nigga, I'll give it a 9.
A 9, I failed the test. Damn, I couldn't get the 10.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. A 9 is great. 9 is great.
Bro. 9
Look,
is great.
look,
That means
look,
a lot
look.
of people can't get no ribs that taste like a 9 or 10.
You hear that? Say that again.
A lot of people can't get ribs that taste like a 9 or a 10 because guess what? They didn't put that real flavor to it.
It's homemade barbecue sauce. OTD cooking. You want a rib? You want a rib too?
Oh, man. Oh,
You
man.
want you want a rib too? Nah. Not have no soda. OTD cooking. Subscribe.